Hello there, Kirkworks76 watchers and subscribers. You can see having a little difficulty. Had a issue with a sinus infection gone awry, and it's making me have double vision. So it's a little tough to work on the cassette deck, but I can still do a little bit, and I'm waiting for parts actually on a couple of them. And there'll be more out soon, but I'm doing okay. Thank God they ran all these crazy tests on you because they actually think you're having a stroke or ischemia or aneurysm. Um, None of that was true, and thank God for that. This will take a few weeks to clear up, I think. I hope sooner, because if you've ever had just kind of one eye working for you, yeah, it's tough. But glad to still be here, glad to not have an aneurysm or a stroke. Um, but we will be back shortly with new episodes.